By now you've seen that teaching your child to read isn't about pressure, perfection, or long lessons. It's about understanding how reading works, having a clear plan, and showing up consistently in small, meaningful ways. But after watching the last videos, you might still be thinking, okay, I understand this now, but how do I actually put it all together day after day without adding more stress to my life? That's exactly what I want to walk you through today. Hi, I'm Laura Beth, the creator and founder of Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures, and I help overwhelmed but dedicated parents teach their children to read before kindergarten in a calm, structured, confidence-building way, even when time feels limited. In this video, I want to show you the exact roadmap I use to teach all three of my boys to read, a roadmap other parents are now using, and how you can follow this same plan so your child feels confident, capable, and ready for what comes next. Over the last few videos, you've learned why reading resistance is so common, the simple strategies that build comprehension, why parents don't need to be experts to teach reading, how phonics, sounds, and reading actually work. So if you're sitting there thinking, I get it now, I just don't want to guess or mess this up, you're not alone. And that's exactly why I created Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures. When I taught my first son to read, I didn't feel confident every day. I really had no idea what the end result was going to be. I didn't even know if teaching him to read at age 5, as that's when I did it for him, would work. We had been doing things for years to prepare him to learn to read and be a fluid reader, but I didn't know if those things I had done would actually help him at this moment in time. There were moments I questioned myself, moments I wondered if I should leave it all to the school, moments where I worried about doing the wrong thing. But once I understood the simple order, sounds, blending, consistency, everything changed. Not just for him, but for me too. I became calmer, he became more confident, and reading became something that connected us, not something that caused stress between us. That's the experience I want for you. So inside Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures, I walk you through exactly how to teach your child to read step by step without overwhelm. Here's what you get. Module 1, we talk about strong foundation, setting the right foundation in your home for learning, how to build confidence without pressure, how to help your child focus, and when to start teaching them. Module 2 is how kids learn to read. Phonemic awareness made simple, letter sounds and blending, moving from sounds to words to sentences, and clear demonstrations you can follow with your child. Module 3, teach your child to read, a 100-lesson plan that takes them from sounds to fluent reader in 3 months, what to do when progress slows, and how to keep motivation strong. Then Module 4, advancing reading skills, simple routines that fit busy schedules, what to do after your child can read, and how reading confidence impacts other subjects. And that's just the training. You also get printable routines, letter sound guides, vowel charts, confidence building tools, and access to a supportive parent community. So you never have to wonder, what do I do next? And the bonus lessons I've included are worth just as much as an extra as the full course. Topics like how to handle children who learn differently, what if your child has a learning disability, time management, and more. This program is for parents who want clarity and consistency, not perfection. Now imagine this, your child sounding out their first word, pausing, then looking up at you with pride. That moment isn't just about reading. It's confidence. It's a connection, a bond. It's a belief that they can figure things out, and you get to be the one who gave them that. This confidence doesn't stop at reading. It shows up in every subject that follows. My kids are not just doing well in reading. They are excelling even more in math, science, STEM classes, public speaking, spelling bee winners, and leaders in school organizations. Being an earlier and good reader was the foundation. I've taught all 3 of my boys to read before kindergarten. I've helped other families do the same. And I want you to hear this clearly. You can do this. You don't need hours a day. You don't need a teaching degree. You don't need perfection. You just need a clear plan and someone to walk you through it. So if you're ready to teach your child to read in a joyful, structured way, if you want to stop guessing and start guiding, if you're ready to become the anchor in your child's learning journey, I would love to welcome you into Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures. Click the link here or below this video to join and get instant access. And if you're not ready for the full course yet, you can start with my 5-day Reading Jumpstart Challenge, a simple confidence-building way to get your first reading win in just 1 week. I'll link both options below. Thank you for being a parent who shows up. Thank you for caring enough to learn. You've got this, and your child is incredibly lucky to have you.